look to the left, I can feel the danger coming from my right. When I move my head that way, it suddenly disappeared to the other side. When I look forward, I'm afraid of the ghosts behind. But when I turn around, you already can imagine what's happening in my mind. So I'm busy all day to keep the evil away. The tiresome refrain of the repeatable song I whistled far too long. So I don't look up because I don't want to miss the bridge which could be the switch to stop this never-ending rhythm.